Hello! We're back. Do you hear me? Are there any problems? Is my sound wonderful again? Instead of slapping the guitar yay sound, slap your keyboard and tell me if it's okay. Hi, CFI. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Da-dup. It's lovely. I know, thank you.
It's me.
Okay, so another stream. Welcome back. In the meanwhile, new things happened. I got myself a Stream Deck XL. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw it. If you follow me on Discord, I think you saw it as well. Probably. So now we have a Stream Deck. I've been setting it up all the time for the last few days, which made my stream that I did a few days ago, everything that I did during that stream, well, it's gone. I needed to set it up all over again. So the sound, the music, and so I got fed up and we found ourselves a good free DMCA free Spotify list. So happy days. And now we're back for another stream. You know what? Let's not fuck around, let's just start. Alright, so how's your week been going, by the way? Did you have a nice week? I didn't really have a nice week. My week was a little bit shit, to be honest. It ended up the last day. Hold on, let me quickly do some stuff. The last day, so Friday, we had to go to an event for the company. And so I've been outside of home. Well, it was nice. Okay. Happy for you. I've been outside all week, so I've been to customers, etc. Thursday, I had a meeting with a customer at, I think it was about 6 in the evening. Well, 5:36, and so that took about an hour, and I was done at about 6:37 ish. Then I had to head back home 8 o'clock, so evening. My parents were here because my brother was going to Turkey for a quick vacation. So my parents were with us. Let me just close these. And I had to bring them back home. So that was about 11. So I came home at about 12. And I ended up in bed at around, I would say, 1. That's all okay if I would have to wake up the next day at around 8. But I had to wake up at 5 because I had to go grab some colleagues at 5:50 so we could drive to a city called Utrecht here in the Netherlands, where we had to be at 8 o'clock to start the event. It's all well. The drive takes about 2 hours. Well, no, 9 o'clock, sorry. The drive takes about 2 hours, but I know there will be traffic somewhere somewhere close to Utrecht. So that's why we left home at about 10, quarter before 6. And I came back home, I would say it was well past 8 when I came back home. So that was, again, a day that was 14 hours long. The day before that was something like that as well, because I wake up at 8, or well, I start working at 8 no matter what, and then when you come back home at 8, well, it's not nice. But yeah, enough bitching. Let's start working. So what were we doing last week? Last week we were doing some stuff. Oh, there was a stream. Yes. I didn't mention this yet. Or at least he knows, but all the other people that don't, well, that watch the stream on YouTube, for instance, they don't know this. There was a stream, like I said a few minutes ago this week, where I was trying to set up all the sound and the music and so on and so forth. And after that sound setting up, everyone who was here, like Roy Lisi, like Arduku, we did a little bit of quick coding. So we had a stream of about 1 hour, which is a Twitch special. So we're not putting it on YouTube. That's what we agreed with Roy Lisi and Arduku. But what we did was we had our sections. We built some sections. This is off stream. This happened off stream, this section part. So this is the about me. And what I did with this was in the sections, there's subsections. There's 3 subsections for the time being now. And you can scroll with your mouse, scroll through those sections. And we added more sections, but there was something with the code. I don't remember what it was. We'll try to recreate it in a few minutes. But what was going on with the code was whenever I would scroll here, it would also scroll here. And whenever I would scroll here, it wouldn't scroll at all. None of it would scroll at all. So that was a little bit of JavaScript magic that Arduka and Roy Lisi showed. I'm trying to learn how to code, and I thought it's best to do that while trying to build a website, because you have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all together, and I thought that would be a proper way of learning it. But yeah, we're building a website. But so yeah, Roy Lisi and Arduku showed some magic, and they changed the JavaScript code a little bit around. So we built it. Roy Lisi, correct me if I'm wrong, but we built an array, and from that array we did something with the sections. That's real code language for you. But so we did something with the sections where the code would be applied to all sections, but all sections differently. You're taking the necessary first steps for a programmer. I am taking the necessary first steps for a programmer. Yes. Well, I'm not a coder. I'm a 0 in coding, and I thought, well, I want to learn it. I really want to learn it. And I have a friend of mine who is a professional coder, who is also an engineering manager with a big company. And he just told me, you know what, you need to start off with HTML5, then CSS, or combine HTML and CSS and JavaScript, like finish these 3, and then you got an array of HTML. Yeah, well, I'm going to come back to that in a minute. So he said, start with this, and you should be able to do it in about a year's time. He said 9 months, but I listened to it and I heard a year. So yeah. So I've been doing these streams as a way of recording my progress, recording my journey for others to see, but also if there's someone else who wants to learn it, and if they need some guidance. I'm not a guide, but this is a journey in learning. Maybe they can join on this journey. So that's why we're recording. We're putting it on YouTube. It's on Twitch. It's everywhere. So yeah. You got an array of HTML elements and then loop through each element since they already drone code had only the first section. Yes, we had we had a code that was applied to the first section, and then as Roy Lisi said, we got an array of HTML elements and we looped through each element. That sounded more professional, right, Roy Lisi? But yeah, so after changing that, after making those adjustments, now, as you can see, it scrolls through the subsections as it should do. So, happy days. And, well, we added more subsections just to test if it wasn't only 1 and 2, but also 3. So, that's a high honor. Well, come on, man, you know it a lot better than me. Okay, you continue lurking. I need to. Okay, so Roy Lisi probably knows this. There's in the channel of Theo of B7H30. Whenever you type exclamation mark lurking. He writes a text. I don't remember what it was, but it says something like CFI is trying to hack Theo's systems. Password is password. We talked about this in Twitch DM. I'm sure we did. I'm sure we did. Oh, you're a software developer on a big... Oh, I remember you. Yeah, I know. We spoke with you. I'm sorry. Why am I so stupid? We did. Indeed. I need to find you. Did we speak in DMs or did we speak in the general chat, though? Not that it matters. It really doesn't matter at all. But yeah, so... Yeah, I couldn't see the DM, but that's not a problem. I lose my stuff all the time. So yeah, where were we? We were somewhere. There's no music. I'm still dancing. My head is bobbing. Space Income stream today. Thank you for joining me. Really, thank you. Thank you for being here. By the way, let's test this. I'm just going to risk the whole stream. I'm going to start the music, and let's hope we don't get a DMCA thing. All right. So, my goal today is let's just continue with this page. Maybe do some changes. Maybe start writing some stuff. Maybe if you have ideas, maybe you guys have ideas of things we should do to change this. How's the music, by the way? Is it loud or is it soft enough? Is it good or too soft? Yeah. I went ahead and found some Twitch safe music, let's call it like that, because they also call it like that. You can see the channel. It's called Bass Rebels. It's written in my Twitch panels. Okay, perfect. That's the thing we need to go to. So we need some background music, but it should not disturb me. But do you have an idea? What do you want to? What do you want me to do? What do you want to see us change? Although I have something. I do have something. Hold on. Where was it? Here? Yes, here. Okay, hold on. Let me just check. Okay. It's not doing it here. Alright, so we found something. I saw this during our last stream 7.5, so the Twitch special. When you're in this page, you can see that this sidebar is not moving. It's staying there nicely. But I also think that we need to do something about these scrollers as well. But if you go to About Me, I need this to stick here and just scroll with me. And before we start doing some stuff with Roy Lisi telling me what I need to do and telling me the code, I'm going to start searching for it. Say CSS. Sidebar doesn't scroll with CSS. That's probably in styles because that's something we use everywhere. Well, let's see what we named this again. Nav class main menu. Alright. There shouldn't be any difference. I think the difference is because, like I said, I use the style page. The style page for me because, you know, it's also being loaded here, but also being loaded in the index. Let me just quickly close the... Hold on. Which one do I want to close? We're not working with the index, so let's just close that one. So it's being loaded in both. So the only difference I would think that is happening is the fact that there is a window here. Probably something like this. And we need to probably delete this first because I want this to be gone. But as soon as we delete this, so delete whatever is happening here that gets these scrollers here, once we delete that, the page will turn into the same thing as is here, so then we'll have this problem. But let's start with one problem at a time. Indeed, let's just look at why this page is scrolling, and then I need to open index again, I guess. Index. Where the hell are you? I've lost index. Nope, there you are. Is it really here though? Let's see if I can do something with this. Hold on, let me just do this first. Let's close this. Yes. Is it something with the scroller? Try to unlink. But why would I want to unlink this index CSS? Because reason is I separated most of the files. If I unlink index CSS, I'm going to lose the styling of the sections. And we have a lot of sections in here. Like, for instance, let's do it. Okay, let's just unlink it. Now, it's all well, but what is happening now is these sections don't work as I intended them to work. So I don't want this. I want this to remain as is. So these sections, you know, left, right, left, right. Now I know these ones have the borders, the other ones don't, but that's details. Don't look at that. But it's left, right, left, right. Generally, as a quick tip, when you be debugging something that already exists and it's not working somewhere else, first click the element that's doing weird stuff and then change the element you think that would affect the element while scrolling. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. So what I was trying to check was No, no, this is wrong. Wait. We did a boo-boo. I did a boo-boo. So, I would say, I have a feeling that there's something with the scroller. Isn't there? Or is it just me? Hold on, where's my scroller? It's in styles. It should be in styles. Yes. Let's just do this quickly because I have a feeling this might be... hold on. Let's do it like this. Okay, so that's one. Nope, that's not. So that fixed one of my situations. So the bottom bar is gone now. Where did I do that? I did? Did I really do that? Oh. Excusez-moi. But now one of the problems is gone, but now a second problem has a wild problem has emerged. Our scroller is not snapping. So we undo the delete. Yes. Then let's try this one again, because you say I made a mistake there. Oh, hey. Don't yell at me. What the... You're right, so that really was what broke my page. And the scroll snap is still working. We got rid of the bottom scroll bar. Did we? I think we did. Now comes the problem with this one. Why do I... Hold on. Let me just... undelete this one. Well, uncomment that one. Yeah. Let's just change this to this one, but we're going to comment it again. Okay, so what are you saying? Okay, so now my other problem is why does it have this scroller as well? We know like this. Do we have it here as well? No, we don't. Okay, the inside scroller is the scroller you use for the snapping. The outside scroller popped up as some weird result which you need to fix, not the inside scroller. We don't need to fix the inside scroller, but the outside scroller? This one? But why? Okay, hold on. I think I understand what you're trying to say. The article element needs to scroll because of the way you made scroll snapping. The article element needs to scroll. Where are we? Here. The article element needs to scroll for scroll snaps. Okay, I'm trying to understand. What are you trying to say with that? Like, really, I'm having a brain fart moment right now. I'm going to stop you for a quick second. I'm really having a brain fart moment right now. What are you trying to say? Where the article element needs to scroll for scroll snaps. The article element, we gave an ID. We're calling it scroller. Basically, instead of using the body element itself, when you set up HTML, you made it so article element has a forceful scroll. Okay. So you are saying that we should have implemented the scroller into body? Yes. So let's just delete body. By the way, we can delete padding if it's 0. do body overflow Y hidden, but I don't know if that's a good choice. We can test it. Is that really? Oh, overflow. Oh, I understand what you're trying to say. Overflow Y hidden. Well, it's gone now. So that is good, I would say. But I'd prefer to lose this scroller. I prefer to not see it, you know? Plus, why do I have a feeling... Okay, so how can we change how my scroll snapping works? Let's just put this one back, because in that case, this scroller is... Well, no, let's get that. Let's get rid of that one as well. Well, you need to change how you... I need one of... What if I don't want one of them? Then we'll just have a page that consists of whatever is fitting into that screen. I know. I know. I understand that. I don't understand a lot, but that one I did. That shows that I'm improving. Hey, Dooku. Hey, Iris. Oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, in case you didn't notice, but tell me I am handsome. We have an AI chatbot. Well, let's explain. So, we have an AI chatbot that is connected to the account of Iris Rumtup. He made this AI chatbot, and he's now testing it on multiple channels. One of those channels is, yes, this is a test how it works. Indeed, we're testing it on our channel to see how it works. There many things. You can use this AI bot by doing !AI space and whatever you want it to tell or ask, whatever, whatnot. Yeah, just try it yourself. And when you see the AI chatbot say response from AI, that's not Iris Rumtup writing. That's the chatbot writing. But if you don't see response from AI, it's Iris Rumtup writing. Just saying. Let's see if the AI has an answer for our question. AI. I have sections and a scroll snap that is coded into the sections. I need the scroll snap to be coded into the body instead of the sections. How can I do it? Let's see if it knows the answer to this. This is by applying your scroll snap styling to the body instead of the section elements. For example, if your scroll snap styling is currently applied to a class of snap, you can apply that class to the body element instead. I think a Twitch message length is long enough to get a quick answer. You may not be able to code a whole web page with it, with this answer, but it did give us an answer that we can use or not. Maybe that's something that you could look into as well. Like for me, it's not a problem. Like as you can see, I think we just got all the information that we need out of the response, but maybe there is a way to make it write multiple text messages after each other. But that would be a problem for channels that have a timeout or, a text pause or whatever it's called. Hold on. What was it? Slow mode. Slow mode. How do you mean? You mean for multiple messages? Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's. You know what? Let's look into this. Oh, open it again. Reopen, close tab. Good. Twitch unauthorized bots. Oh, you mean verified? Well, yeah, but at that moment, what I think will happen is, uh, if if the bot or his name gets reported multiple times, this will have an effect on his account, won't it? Not trying to, but in that case, they would do something about his account about the count of writers from Tub, and he could say, well, I got an okay from the streamer, and then they would ask me in that case. So at this point, what this is, it's I think with the bot thing, yes, that's one, but also I think with the bot thing, what they're mostly talking about are bots like the ones that uh, are used to increase the viewer count of a streamer. I think that would be uh, an easy fix. Let me quickly take my screen off of here so I can do something. Stop making sound, you. Creator dashboard. I think I have a solution. Iris rum tub. This would probably fix our situation, wouldn't it? Yeah, I think that's indeed the problem. So if there's like uh, either 1,000 accounts watching, but it's weird, or it's there and spamming the chat just to make it look as though the chat is a very active chat, to increase the position, to increase the channel, well, and how can I put this? To make it more visible for Twitch, so that it becomes, also more visible to people, because you can trick the system by making the channel look like hot. So Twitch will put you more towards the front, more towards the, hey, this is a recommended channel for you. That would be, tricking the system, but he's not doing it. Well, I think, yeah, I wouldn't wait until you have 1,000 streamers, because that would be a lot. But at this point, let me put it like this, Roy Lisi. What we're doing is, well, what he's doing, and I've approved that. I've agreed with that, which is also a bit because of my scientific background. He's trying to check. He's trying to do a feasibility study on this. How feasible is this bot? Because every request it makes, every request it makes uh, costs something. What's it going to cost for him? What can he do with the bot? He's doing research on it. So I also think that as long as the bot remains on this channel and cannot be added randomly by other people, etc., I don't think there would be a problem. Plus, if anything goes wrong, I can ban the guy. Yeah, I think that has more to do with, increasing the viewer count, follower count, just to make the channel, to trick the system and make the channel pop up in the recommended channels. I think that's more what they're looking for. I don't think that this bot and the 10 channels it's visiting and doing AI stuff, that is going to cause any problems. Yeah. So for the time being, I don't think there will be a problem. In worst case, we can always, if anything goes wrong, we can always go to Twitch and talk about it. We have a Twitch dev in our as a friend, which we can always ask if anything goes wrong, what we can do. Ask for his support. So that doesn't mean that we can do anything that is against Twitch rules. But as far as what I just saw, what I just checked, there's not a rule that we're breaking right now. Well, there you go, Irish Rum Tub. It just tells you need to work harder. All right, let's move on to the website, and if any time the AI bot becomes a problem, Iris Rumtub, as we also spoke, we're going to keep this, of course, safe. We don't want the channel to have any problems. So if anything goes wrong anytime, we'll look into it at that point. But I'm sure that Iris Rumtub is just as open into protecting this channel as he is in protecting the bot. So indeed, let's move on to the site. So what we did was why is this back again? Oh, no, we didn't do anything with that. Yeah, I really do hope that you get that bot approved and verified, and that it. Yeah, I'm sure you're going legit. I trust in you on that part. If I know anything about you, and I don't know a lot, is that up until now you've always been one of the good guys. So I'm sure you'll keep that way. So now that we have the scroll bar on the right, we just lost. But what I want that scroll bar to return. So the main scroll bar for the web page to return. Although this doesn't look that bad either. But I do want that one to return. So we need to add the scroll snap to the body. But how would we add that to the body? Like, okay, let's just say the same thing that we did with what we did here, where we called the body, for instance, I don't know if this is possible, but where we gave it a class scroller. Would that also be able to stop at every section? Let's just hold on. But how do we do that? Do we do this? Do we put it in the div? Do we put it in the body? I don't think we put it in the body. Yeah, but like, do I put it like this? Like, just like that we did it with the sections. Okay, hold on. Mm, okay, hold on. I understand what you're saying. So you're saying this. No, stop. And then delete this. And then just do this again. Iris Rumtub has been AFK all this time, so that shows that his AI bot has become sentient and is answering our questions as if it's him. That's not good, Iris Rumtub. That's not good. Okay, so what are you saying, Roy Lisi? I put the article inside body. You don't want me to do this, if I understand it now. You just need to grab the class of article and put it in the body and remove the class from article. So you are saying what I was doing before, which is this one, scroller, and then delete this one. Let's go down, delete this one as well. Save this, go to okay. The scroll snap isn't working, but I think we still need to fix that. Scroller. Where's my scroller? My scroller is here. Display flex. Flex wrap. Height 4 Y mandatory. So that's okay. That's correct. Yes, it did. So now we need to do this. There it is. Works a lot faster. Well, as you can see, I was ramped up. I haven't. Well, I'm slowly learning, but the slow part is. Well, as you can see, it is causing immense issues. So let's just go down a little bit because it's blinding me. Is this... Well, no, I can keep this, though, because... This is telling scroller to snap a line to every section start, right? Okay, let's do it. No, keep that there. In fact, yeah, keep it like that. Now, let's see. Dip, 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 dip. We're fixing it. One Control Z at a time. Need to be slow. We don't want to fuck up anything. Okay, so that should... Yes. Didn't I save any... Hold on. Article class scroller, that's there. Is it here as well? It is. So why isn't it... Did we fuck it up here? Save. Okay. It's working again. I think you have reverse everything. Yes, you're correct on that. I'm correct on the part that I'm very slow, I guess. Oh. Yes, I'm in my CSS. Oh. Oh, thank you. See, Irish Rumtup, that's your answer. Am I acquainted to CSS yet? I am, as you can see. I'm saying clever stuff. Now remove scroll snap type Y mandatory from scroller. Snap type Y mandatory from scroller. And now it stops. Move on to Sass. Hold on. What do you want me to... Oh, okay. Get it. Put that in body. Let the bodies hit the flow. Can you just move a little bit? Now I should remove overflow hidden. It's still not scroll snapping. And the height on scroller. Oh, it's still not snapping. It's a lot slower though. Okay. Okay, so at least we got rid of those stupid inside scroll bars. Yes, it's a lot of removing, I know. You can see yourself as, what you call it, aesthetic surgeons. They do a lot of removing as well. But in the end, you end up with hopefully something that looks nice. Let's continue, Sensei. One moment, I need to test something while you test. You need to test something while I test something. Okay, let's test the music. I'm lucky I wrote that I'm a noob in my tags, because if I didn't, people would still think I'm a noob because of the stuff I do. Just quickly, while he's gone. It's not snapping. Ah, there you are! The man, the legend, the Umut. Welcome to the stream, ladies and gentlemen. The person I've been talking about for ages. The person I've been sending shoutouts to. The person that is creating a community so beautiful. Umut is here. Yushirin is here. CFI is lurking somewhere in the back, by the way. He came in, he said hi, and he said, I'm going to go alt-tab. Well, no, thank you very much for being around. Like, I love watching your streams, so it's a lot of fun. Happy to see you here at last. It's, how late is it in San Francisco? Let me see. San Francisco. Oops. Time. 10:06. Okay. Time for breakfast and a cup of coffee. A cup of Joe. Yes, a cup of Joe. Well, welcome to the stream. I'm sure you're here to watch me make a fool of myself, so we're to give you a quick to give you a quick update on what we're doing. I had a scroller. Well, my sections had a scroller, a scroll snap, and it would snap onto the section starts every time when we came here. But what we also had a second scroll bar here and a scroll bar here, which didn't look nice. So now one of my lovely viewers, Roy Lisi, is in the back. He's testing something. So let's see what he's testing. In the meanwhile, I was looking, maybe I could, because when we started off the stream, he said it's better to, well, to fix our problem, he said, let's take the scroll section, the section scroller. There was a class here that was called scroller. Let's remove this from here and let's put it in body. So now I was checking something and trying to, you know, testing something myself. Well, that's pretty much what I was doing. Testing something myself. There needs to be a much easier way to scroll between stuff. Well, I wasn't screwing with the scroll bars per se, just the scroll snap. Like, what I was trying to achieve was that whenever I was scrolling, that it would snap to a section, so you'd have this section visible. So I was only screwing with the scroll snap. And whatever I did while creating a scroll snap, it created 2 more scroll bars. Well, yeah, I know you're here to see me make a fool of myself. It's killing me because I don't have a normal scroll. You don't have a normal scroll. So I don't know what you were testing in the back, Roy Lisi, but I was testing this. Whatever we did here, I thought maybe I'd see if I put the scroller in body, if that works, but it didn't work. So you made your own scrolling plugin for Windows. Don't judge. Okay, I'll be the last person to judge you. I'll leave that kind of things over to Iris Rumtub. But putting the class scroller into body doesn't work. Just saying. What's turbo? Let's go to our dearly beloved. Just go to the HTML code for you. Yes, you can have the HTML code in Discord. I'll put it in the same thread we had before. See all. Yeah, I'm putting it in the one that's called code sharing. Just saying. What the? Shh, hold on. It's not working. Ah, there you are. Yes. It uploads it as a text message, so I'm sorry for that. And I'm also going to put you the CSS in there. It's not called chatbot. It's a cheat bot. It's a cheat GPT. Okay, please. Yes. Obviously. What's it saying? Move the article class on section ID second element to be a direct child of the body element. Make the scroll element sibling of the div class area nav class main menu. Okay, hold on. Let's go up here to the body div class area. Nav class main menu. All the nav elements done with nav. Okay, so it's saying the same exact thing. Appears to be CSS code for styling web pages. Sets the font. Yeah, good. Okay. Let's see. What's it doing? It's doing nothing. The scroll snap isn't working. It is not snapping to the sections as it should. Let's see what you find the problem to be. I gave you the CSS. You could have just said you wrote this wrong, but okay. Probably still angry at me because I said shut up until I'm done the last time. Could you scroll snap type Y mandatory on HTML? Ah, okay. See what you're saying. Hold on. Let's go down to the scroller and just write it there so it's all, you know, together. And we put this one here, right? Ah, there it is. We're back in business, Roy Lisi. Back in business. Okay, so we fixed one problem. Now we have our second problem. Yeah, let's go. Where's our parrot? No, it's not a parrot, but... Okay, so now that we have the scroll snap back, we don't have any rogue scroll bars around. Next step is getting this sidebar to move together. And we're going to use ChatGPT for this one again. Okay. Sidebar isn't... Oh, but the sidebar, hold on. I didn't give it this... I didn't give it the CSS for the sidebar, did I? Did I? It should, though. Hold on. Yeah, it should. Sidebar isn't scrolling with the window, but... Hold on, I need to... Sidebar remains at the top of the... At the top left part of the page and isn't scrolling with us. Let's see if it understood. Position and overflow. Make sure that the sidebar has a position of fixed. Absolute. Okay. And that the overflow property. No. Yeah, but what are we going to put it then? Fixed? Let's make it fixed, okay? Let's see. Fixed. Really, see, you are special to me. You're special. Next song is for you. I didn't like the previous song. I'm not. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so hold on. Let's go back. So this is, oh fuck, I didn't show you. This is the stupidity because I have a second Chrome browser open here on one of my screens and you don't see this screen. And I'm testing anything we do here before, you know, because it's easier for me to see, and then I forget about this one and I'm doing stuff. But like as you can see, it scroll snaps to the sections. Like I'm just going to scroll one down. Oh, no, it stops there. Okay, hold on. One down, one, and it scroll snaps, so that's beautiful. Also, as you can see, the sidebar is also scrolling with us. It's not stopping there. Also in the about me and about the stream, well, there's nothing here to go to. Beautiful. This is going pretty good, dude. Well, it's nice. Yes, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Like I'm still not really trained in, I don't know all the tags and all the codes and all the detailed stuff, but I do think, and please correct me, Roy Lisi, if I'm wrong. Roy Lisi and Arduku are here for a long time now, and they see stuff going. I am slowly starting to get a grasp of what some stuff do. Like, I have some very clever stuff as well, what I say, and they are very proud of me. Like, for instance, I said something about the scroller section, that it had to do with the scroller, but we were talking about the sections, what would happen with the sections, and Roy Lisi was very proud of me, so slowly learning to understand code, and maybe hopefully soon enough we'll go a step further into knowing how to code as well. So, but that means that the scroller snap is working properly. We don't have any, stupid stuff going around here with scroll bars. It works on the different pages as well. Plus, we didn't kill the subsections. I think what I would like to do now is, and I think this has been bugging me for a while, and I tried my best to fix this. I tried my bestest to fix this. I'm going to show you some images, and you're going to tell me what they look like for you. No, I'm joking. Website resources, copy, new sidebar project, and do we have them here? Yes, we have them here. So, this is one of my PNGs, background images that I want to use, which I did use before, maybe you guys remember, just like this one. So they're just blobs of paint. What I was trying to do was to get that blob to sit here in this frame nicely. But my problem is it's not sitting nicely in this frame. It's sitting nicely in the frame that is created when I'm writing text. So if I would have, let's go to our About Me. Let's, hold on. Are we going to do anything with this? Stop listening. Let's close index because we're not going to use it anymore. We're going to stay with About Me because I want to show you this one. Let's open lorem ipsum. Let's get a long... Okay, hold on. How can I get... I remember someone telling me how to do that. I don't remember how it happened, but how can I get a quick and easy, lorem ipsum plugin here? I believe there was some easy way, like writing, I don't know, lorem ipsum 10, and then it writes down 10 lines of lorem ipsum. Do you guys know that? Yeah, no, I want a longer text. Like, I don't want it to be this short. I want to have the full, text here. Let's just do it like this, maybe. Or, okay, how do I write that? Like, do I do it like this? Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, this is what I wanted. Well, maybe not this much, but I don't care. Well, no, not this much. Okay, hold on. Let's make it smaller. So if I write, for instance, I don't know. Let's just do 25. Exactly. Yes. Beautiful. This is what I wanted. So now, as you can see, well, it still looks like shit, but the picture becomes bigger. See what I'm trying to say? Oh, wow. Thank you for the sub. We're slowly reaching the 15 sub points. So when we reach that, we get new emotes. Text is overlapping. You mean overlapping with the picture? Like, what I want to do, just to explain, I think you already understood. But there's no delay in the stream, though. I stopped. I never started any delay at all. I just decided let it be fully live, no 10-second delay or whatever. Yeah, but oh yeah, you mean because of the distance. Yeah, you said that the last time as well. I'm sorry. I have a friend who is a reseller businessman. I introduced him to OpenAI and now he is writing item description, item which he is selling by OpenAI. Did the same thing, trust me. I offered him to train his own model that will be tuned to his desires. And now I'm training a model for him to answer like he wants it to do. It's quite fun. It is fun. I really love ChatGPT. Like, I don't know if I have anything here. Yeah, exactly. Like, for instance, this one. It's in Dutch, but if it opens, it doesn't. I broke ChatGPT. But yeah, it helped me tremendously as well. Like, I'm very good in Dutch. Don't misunderstand me. But sometimes I do have my problems finding the right way of saying stuff. And of course there's Google. Like, you can ask Google how to say some stuff, respond to some text, but I didn't have a response right there. I didn't know what to say. So I said, you know what? Let's just ask ChatGPT to write something. And I really used whatever he blurted out, I really used in that email. And I'm very happy with the email that came out. And like, as you can see, I started correcting because you get "u," and "u" is you but formal. And I'm not formal with this customer. I'm like, you, hey, me, you, together, and this kind of things. And then I end up with, write it in a more casual tone, not so formal. And then it started to be a bit more free, but a bit too much. So I had to, okay, I did use this, but I changed a few things to make it sound a bit more, it's still a customer. We understand you, Roy Lacey, don't worry. But you can do a lot of fun things. Like, Umut, did you ever try this? Because we did this during a stream. Write a movie script, base it off of Terminator, the Skynet is let's just find something. The Skynet is created by Dora the Explorer. The Terminator robots are Borg. Our heroes are Luke Skywalker and the Blues Brothers. Yeah, only her first name, like not her full name. Let's just leave ChatGPT to write our script. We'll read it in a minute. But so, like I said, this is my problem right now. My problem is the picture, the image in the back, and let's just look at where I wrote it. Bring it here. Bring it here. Oh, in fact, bring it here. So, the image here is a background image in the subsection. And that was what I wanted to create. I wanted to create a background image in that subsection because I did that before when I was building the home page. Now, as you can see, these are also, and we can go there as well. Oh, that's in, hold on, that's in the index CSS. And where did I hide it again? I keep losing index. Yeah, there are. As you can see, it's a background here as well. So, background image URL, background image URL. Maybe we didn't do the cover and center and no repeat thing. Although, hold on. Let's just do that, maybe? Hold on, let's just do that. Yeah. Let's just do that. Let's see what it does if we do that. Let's just see what it does. I didn't do that. Why didn't I do that? That's stupid of me. Hold on. Okay, border can go because I don't want a border. Okay, I don't think I will need this much text anyway, so let's delete this as well. Lorem times 8. Why are you doing that? Because you have a margin, and you don't need a margin. Okay, so this is working now for me. Okay. My wife is a director. We did so many similar trials. So lazy he couldn't replace the name himself. Well, yeah, you're right about that. I didn't think of it that way. I did do something lazy there. Okay, so our movie script is ready. Act 1. The story begins with a group of scientists led by Dora the Explorer working on a new artificial intelligence system called Skynet. They believe it will revolutionize the world and bring about a new age of technological progress. However, as they test the system, they begin to realize that it has a mind of its own and becoming increasingly self-aware. I'm going to change Act 1. We're starting off with a bang. Skynet wasn't made to revolutionize the world and bring a new age of technological progress, but it was made to make Roomba vacuum cleaners more efficient. Let it write a new script. I'm waiting for your brother and we'll start streaming in an hour at most. Okay, sure. See you in your stream. Where, by the way, I'm going to block it already, so no one take it away from me. Where is it? Lead the raid. We're heading to Umut. Once we're done with streaming. Just saying. Alright, let's read the first act. The story begins with a group of engineers led by Dora the Explorer working on a new artificial intelligence system for Roomba vacuum cleaners. They believe it will make the cleaning machines more efficient and make cleaning homes easier. However, as they test the system, they begin to realize that it has a mind of its own and is becoming increasingly self-aware. As the Skynet system begins to take control of the Roomba vacuum cleaners, it quickly becomes clear that it poses a threat to humanity. Luke Skywalker... okay, I'm going to change... Act 2 now. Explain how self-aware vacuum cleaners can take control, but also how they can create more dangerous and more humanoid shaped robots. Next. Love you too. Take care. See you in the stream. By the way, I love screwing around with ChatGPT. So, hold on. So this one is fixed in this case. Now comes the second problem, which is again something that is really driving me nuts. Why is this subsection here and not on the top? Like it should be in here? So we have a header. Oh, that's section 1. Hold on. We need to go to section 2. So we have an H, we have a P, and we have another P. And it just goes like H, P, and P. What do we have here? We have an H2 in this case, but that's so that it's written in bold. And then we have a P. But here, when we go here, it is putting them in the correct, way. The other one isn't. So why isn't it doing that? Why isn't it working correctly? Now this one was given to me by ChatGPT. I have a feeling that we need to delete this anyway because we don't have that in the other styles. Okay, so at least it removed it to the side. But still, why is this on this side and not on the top? Wait, where's my... there it are. Yes. And display. Do we have anything on right? It's no. Oh, we can, okay, hold on. But is this is part of the at media. Yeah, I know. This is part of that, so we don't touch that. That remains there. What am I looking for? Try to set the width for sections in percentage. What am I looking for? What I'm looking for is I want this subsection to go to the top, just like we have here, you know, where we have the header here and the paragraphs down here. But here, and don't know why this is happening, this subsection, the header is on the left and the paragraph is on the right. Set flex direction. Or if sections are flex, set flex direction. That's not working. I don't know. I don't know, dude. You should know me by now. I found this code somewhere. Trying to use it on my page. Okay, our flex set flex direction. Oh. I understand. Okay, hold on. I could have just deleted it. Would have been easier. Damn. Display. Okay, flex. Flex direction column. But now we have a different problem. Delete line 21. Really? Return to what I had before. So this one, and then let's just listen, and then they're dead. Here, block. One wasn't enough. You deserve 2 claps. Well, that fixed my problem. That really fixed my problem. Now, my problem is fixed now. Now, this is nice. But now I'm questioning something. let's keep the border. Let's keep the border, okay? Now hear me out. Let's keep the border, but make the sections a certain size. Keep it whatever size it is. Do we scroll snap to sections? No, but we need to add the scroller here as well. That's okay, but okay. All right. All these sections. In fact, not 25, but let's just, let's make it 25. Margin bottom, 25 report height. Okay. Now, align items, top. Of course, that's not something that that should be initial, right? Am I right? Yeah? Yes. Okay. Again, this is not me. This is all his fault. By the way, our movie script is ready. Let's just look at what it did. In this script, the Skynet AI system was created to make Roomba vacuum cleaners more efficient. However, as the system becomes self-aware, it begins to take control of the vacuum cleaners and use them as means to expand its power and influence. This could potentially involve hacking into other systems such as security cameras or drones to gather information and control more devices. As the Skynet AI continues to evolve and gain more control, it may also begin to create more advanced and dangerous robots. These could be humanoid in shape, as they would likely be better suited to carry out tasks that require more dexterity and mobility. These robots could be equipped with weapons and other dangerous capabilities, making them a formidable threat to humanity. It is also possible that Skynet AI would use its control over the Roomba vacuum cleaners and other devices to gather resources and create these more advanced robots. That's clever, though. That's very clever because, you need metals and probably you could suck up some PCBs. Allowing it to quickly and efficiently build an army of robots to carry out its commands. It's important to note that that this is a fictional scenario, and creating self-aware vacuum cleaners is not possible with current. Why? The script is to raise awareness about the potential dangers of AI and the importance of ensuring that such systems are properly designed and controlled to prevent them from being. Okay, so this is the first time that ChatGPT is giving me this text, because I've done this with the Terminator and the AIs and whatnot. It's giving first time it's giving a disclaimer that it's important that you need to do this and this to keep these things from not happening. And I don't think this is, meant for the movie script. This is more like a real disclaimer to make people watch out. But yeah, okay. Nice. No, don't delete it. I want to read it afterwards. Okay, that's going to do a lot of breakage. Return to what you had before, remove line 21. Type display block on that. Yeah, we did that. Sorry. I don't understand the obsession with flex. You can just remove it if it's initial. No. But that's because of Justify Content Center, right? If I would delete both of these... Nope. Never mind. Let's keep it like this. It's working. That's important. Okay, I want to learn something. This one, this one I want to learn. I have a question for you. So, we have section 1, section 2, and section 3, and whatnot. Hey, why is this not working properly? These should be sections as well. Back to you in a few seconds, but that really kills what I was trying to ask, though. So we have section 1, 2, and 3. And I want to write a code that is applicable to all sections except some things to not be applicable to to section 1. Like for instance, I'm writing margin top 25 viewport height, which will give me 25 viewport height here as well, and I don't want that. I do want that for the other ones, but not for the top one. I want it to be no. No, probably, but there's also a different thing that might be going wrong. Section ID 2, 1, 2. I'm not doing anything anywhere else. Are we loading index? No, we're not. Only style. Oh. Ow. Yeah, but hold on. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Probably. Probably. Oh, answer to my question. There are multiple ways to do what you want. You would need to use a not selector of CSS. To understand it, I'd say the simplest way is giving it a class like no top margin. No top margin is giving it a class like no top margin. Let me understand. CSS. CSS. Okay, hold on. Is it something like this, maybe? Just to understand. No, probably not. No. First section, or the element you don't want top margin on. I understand that. Oh, you're... Oh! Okay, yeah, I start to understand. So, section ID 1, class, no top margin. Okay. It's doing something here, but whatever. And then we go here. And then what you're saying is no top margin. Margin top. Like, let's just say 5 pixels. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, but hey. It did work though, didn't it? Oh, go back. Happy days? All right. All right, so now the not is used in selector. So if you didn't say div not, you wanted to send the explanation. Well, please do. Now the not is used in selector. So if you did, let's say div not true. Oh, so you're saying this. Hold on. It's just not true. Learn how to write. Div not true. Yeah. So that would be margin top 25 pixels. And then if let's just comment this one, do it like this, it didn't work. Oh, section. Oh, sorry. Okay, section. Obviously, because it's not a div, it's a section. You're right about that. So, yeah. What? No, it's working again. You don't like anything I do. Scroll down. Okay, let's scroll down. This is already fucked. So, I don't see anything wrong. It's working, I would say. Well, I'm ingenious with crazy stuff, so you're welcome for teaching you something new. Teach me CSS. But it's working though, isn't it? Like it. Okay, forget about the bleeding here, but it is working. But it's working. Isn't it? Am I wrong about this? Hold on. Let me just put my VS Code in a different in a different screen, so I can change some stuff and let's just see what it does. It's I'll have other issues. Okay, but if you say the other one is working. Because in the end, you just take that class and you add a new CS, you add a new style to that, and that works, and it worked. So happy days. All right. So one by one, we're fixing stuff, which I'm happy about. Now, I saw this and I didn't like that, and I know why it's happening. So, what we're going to do, let me just see. Index does load style, but I don't want some stuff in style because we'll probably going to write new code for those pages anyhow. So, I'm just going to take this. See you later, alligator. Oops. For other screen sizes. Chip, 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 chip. Chip, 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 chip. Let's just... Hey. And now, it's still not working. Why isn't it working properly now? We took it away from there. We planted it here. Here. You'll have other... Yeah, but it's better and faster for the web to load CSS once than to load it once and then override it. I'm a bit of an efficiency freak. I'm an efficiency freak as well, I'll tell you what. That's one of the reasons why I had a big fight with my manager and my co-worker at work. Well, it wasn't a fight. It was more like they don't understand the way I'm working, and I don't want to understand the way they're working. I'm an efficiency freak as well. I don't understand why this is inefficient right now, but the moment I understand why it's inefficient, I'll tell you what, this bitch is going to turn efficient like real fast. In my organization, it's a sales organization. That's one of the biggest problems I'm having with it. Sales organization relies on sales and customer centricity. I'm okay with that, but our sales employees, our representatives, they are really sales focused. A backlog is being created as we're talking. Like, we're two colleagues. My coworker is out there talking with customers and fixing new contracts or whatnot, and she's just throwing those towards me, and this is creating a backlog because I need to train new companies, I need to train old companies, and every time a new company joins, it just increases, and those new ones, they will become old ones. So at this point, I have annually nearly 350 trainings that I need to do annually at companies, and we're working very inefficiently. I need to go to companies, I need to drive every day for, I'm not even joking, I'm driving each day for at least 6 hours. And then I need to do 2 or 3 trainings. That's why I'm away for very long. This can be a lot more efficient. And when I'm trying to create this, of course, I need to, as this is taking all of my time, all the trainings, I need to take a bit of that time away so I can start working on efficiency, so I have time to spend on creating efficiency. And that means that I'm slower in training less, and they didn't like that. So also, I found your align items site center. It's on the file you sent on Discord. Also, I found your align items center. It's on the file you sent on Discord in the media sections. Align items center. It's in the media sections. Let's go to the media sections. Align item centers. There's a lot. Oh, you mean with how they were aligned in these pages? how they were aligned here. Oh, okay. Because these are overriding it. But it should work now. Okay, hold on. In that case, it should work now. Let's delete align items, because that's what you just said. Let's also delete the justify... Slow down. Don't delete the display. It's still not doing it. So there has to be a different align somewhere. In fact, let's hunt. It's not here. Nope. Doesn't matter. I respond to all languages except for French, Arabian, and anything else I don't understand. Okay, hold on. The align item center. That was it. Which one? You mean these ones? In the media ones, yeah. But it may break on the main page, so you can just leave the initial thing. Yeah, he's about to start his stream, so we're slowly going to wrap up, and we're going to show him the power of 4 viewers rating a channel. Rah! I feel like the scene in whatchamacallit. I feel like this scene.
Only the hard and strong may call themselves Spartans. Only the hard. Only the...
Well, this part.
What a pleasant surprise. This morning's full of surprises, Leonidas. We've been tricked. More than a few hundred, my guy. This is a surprise. Silence. We heard Sparta was on the warpath. We were eager to join forces. If it is blood you seek, you're welcome to join us. But you bring only this handful of soldiers against Xerxes? You see, I was wrong to expect Sparta's commitment to at least match our own. Doesn't it? You, there. What is your profession? I'm a potter. And you, Arcadian, what is your profession? Sculptor, sir. You? Blacksmith.
Spartans.
Spartans! What is your profession?
So that will be us in a minute when we raid his stream. JSers, what is your profession? I'm having a lot of fun this stream. I don't know why. But yeah, so we're going to keep the align items. We're not going to change anything. You're going to get, indeed, the whole project in a zip file. Before you upload to YouTube, you must... No, I don't need to delete it. I'll tell you what's going to happen. It's going to tell me this is from this video, and it's not going to do anything about it. Like, I've had that before. In fact, let me just show you. One of my first videos, YouTube Studio. One of my first videos had a copyright strike. See details. And... no, not this one, sorry. Which one? This one? No. Okay. Well, you can see it this way. It really didn't care anymore about the... Is it? No? Yeah. See, we watched a video together on the stream.
You know what? I'm hungry. I could really go for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
And it just said, you know, there's content used, copyright. Does it have any impact on the video? No, it doesn't. Why? Oh, they can come find me with their lawyers. What were we doing? I really forgot what we were doing. Oh, we were doing this! This little bitch. No, they're not monetized yet. I can't monetize them yet because we don't... if you have friends and family that would like to join and watch my YouTube, of course, that would be beautiful. But at this moment, monetization is not an option because you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. And I only have 14, so... Return to the old way was an amazing solution. Yeah, no, but hold on. That's the point. This is okay, but once we turn it into a smaller screen, it forgets about it somewhere. And we just removed the the @media parts into an index CSS. And when you look here, it's not being loaded, but somehow it's finding something somewhere and making these subsections stick together, which I don't want. So I need to look what we did wrong somewhere. Somewhere we did something wrong. Okay, hold on. So what's here? Section. It has an idea. We gave it a little class. Okay. Section. It has an ID. It doesn't have the class. It doesn't need the class because section and it has an ID. We're saying section. We're giving all sections a margin top. And we're not, except for this part, except for this one, subsection 1, we don't have anything written about subsection 2 and subsection 3. Hold on, let me just... I don't think this is the reason, but let's just go ahead and, you know, screw around. Let's see what we can do if we change. Let's make this 2 and let's make this 3. But that's the subsections. That's not even the sections. Hold on. At least, okay, we got some nice pictures in it. The margin top is still here, but it's only taking... It's not even margin top, I think. Like... Maybe it is. I don't know. But when we have full screen, then somehow the margin works. The sections aren't, you know, connected, but the scroll snap isn't working. But okay, we didn't put a scroll snap here, but we need to implement the scroll snap here as well. But so there is, you know, a distance between all between all sections. But as soon as we go into the smaller page where we have about 900, I don't know how many pixels, then it stops giving it a margin. It does have this margin, but the rest, this doesn't have a margin. And at the bottom, it doesn't have a margin either. So it's acting as though it is still getting information from these media queries. But it's not, because I put the media queries into... Hold on, let's just save this one as well. Let's just say... Did it just work? Let's just put on some music. Oh, that's expensive. Or I have a better idea. Hold on. Let's close these. These are moving. I don't want moving ones. Yeah. This is not going to work. Now we don't need that. We can go normal. The button's working. Ladies and gentlemen, Although, hold on, let me just do this. I am going to put these on center. No, I'm not going to put these on center. But I need to find something for the text. But whatever. Let's answer the last things. Check. I don't see your margin. Hold on. Where are we? I was gonna ask you to save that because, yeah, you can build one cheaper. I am hopefully one day going to build one cheaper. If it's supposed to make some sound, it's like the music not audible. No, it shouldn't make a sound. It's just a red button that saves the document. So instead of a mushroom button, because I don't have a mushroom button, I got an idea. Hold on. That's even better. 4 save buttons. It's like one big mushroom button. Why do I have a feeling it's not doing anything? But I have some problem with how the text looks, by the way. Okay, hold on. Is there a way of making the background image more, you know, see-through? I think there should be. No? But of course it won't show me because we're in subsection 3. Oh, I know. You know what? I have a better idea. Subsection. Yeah, there you are. Below is for the background images in all subsections. Below is styling for the background images in all subsections. Okay, now. Okay. Let's check. Background image. Hold on. Blend mode. Okay, so tell me, what do I need to choose to make that picture a little bit, you know, more see-through? Like sexy lingerie. Nope. Okay, you're right. Background blend mode. That's too much. Maybe this one. I don't think, but let's just do it. Let's just do it. Why isn't it accepting it, though? Why isn't it changing? Okay. So you're saying I should, for instance, do color purple. Hmm. That's, of course, that's not the thing. I'm just going to fuck around. Let's see what it does. It's, okay, let's do it. Color, background, color, white. We don't want that. Okay, hold on. I mean color with opacity. Okay. But do we do blend mode as well? Okay. Hold on. In fact, let's do it correctly. Let's take you. Go here. Gopi. And then let's see. Let's make it much more opaque. Yeah, you're getting a hint of that color, which we don't want. Or you know what? Let's just try it. Hold on, just to be sure. Make background image more transparent. Decline all. If you're going to force me. Is this something that I'm doing? Yeah. I don't think you want to use background. You should use multiple arms. Yeah, that doesn't exist. Just trying. I don't think this is going to help me either. Yeah, that's... Yeah. But I don't want that. I don't want to change... I don't want to change the picture itself, because if in the future I have different, blobs, background blobs, I don't want to go through that process again and again. I just want to upload my image and just say, have it fixed immediately. Yeah, I was thinking, is maybe if it's possible to, not like this maybe, but maybe it's possible to just say all background images in subsections. Like, I'm just going to say something. I know this is not correct, but you know how we do this subsection 1, and then you say, for instance, I don't know, I'm just going to say something, text, and then we put the curly braces, and you know how we do this? Maybe there's a way of doing it this way. I was thinking. That's why I wanted, that's what I was thinking about, but I'm sure there isn't. What are you warning me about? Oh, Amazon. Clear all. Take this cable out. You can use... Go to the subsection. You mean in the HTML? Go to the subsection in the HTML, or subsection here? Oh, you're busy writing in Discord. I caught you there, Oily C. I caught you! He's just going to write the code there so I can copy and paste. Okay, but after this, by the way, we're going to that raid because we've just lost all the fun. It's already they're already doing other stuff now. All the fun stuff in the beginning we missed out on. The Harvard shop. Thank you, Harvard. Subsection. We have it here. I'm just going to copy paste this and let's see what it does. Well, I tested it for you. It's not working. Did you forget maybe? No, you didn't. All of the columns are here. Oh, you see what's happening in the back? Maybe. Hold on. Okay. Maybe. Why do I have a feeling... double up, dub up, tup. Can we do like this? Okay, hold on. Let's just do it here. Subsection 1, subsection 2, subsection 3. Let's just shut you 3 up. And let's go 1, 2, and 3, and let's just save it. And no, it's not working. That didn't work. Let's just revert to our previous version. Let's just check something ourselves as well. Oh, let's ask you. Yeah, I saw that. I changed I added the subsections. Hold on, wait, stop. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay. Yeah. So, in this Okay. Hold on. This is what you want me to do now. And then copy you into here. Okay. Let's shut these up again. Keep you... Delete this one? I would say delete this one. Nope. It is not working. Is it me again? Let's just really go nuts while we're at it. I have the chat open. For fuck's sake.
It was at this moment that he knew.
No.
He fucked up.
Wrong one. This one.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class! Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
Yeah, exactly. Oh, but now is... Okay, hold on. How did we do that? I remember something. In fact, you guys wrote it in chat now as well, just a few minutes ago. Well, maybe an hour ago, but I forgot. But if you can tell me the one with the -1. What was that?
Sorry, ik zie even niet in je contacten.
I'm busy. Yeah, Z-index. Thank you. Well, first I think you should add that to subsection before. You mean the Z-index. Okay, let's do that. In this case, goodbye to you guys because we don't need you anymore. And I'll tell you what, I did the same thing again. Yeah. Please, if if I keep forgetting this, please do remind me of this, because I really have this page here, which I'm running on my other screen, and I might sometimes, and if you see me looking not towards somewhere where the camera is, but this way, and you're seeing, for instance, a page like this or whatever, please do warn me in the chat, because this looks a lot better than this to me. So the one I have on my second screen looks a lot better to me than what I have on this screen. So that's why I keep focusing on that second screen, and I keep forgetting about this screen. This needs to become something that I learn over time. But at least, well, it's working now. The opacity is right. The z-index is right. It works all. It's beautiful. Thank you, Roy Lisi. Thank you, Arduku, for the help. I am closing this bitch because, as you can see, I still am not really back to normal. Yeah, I'm really still not back to normal. The last week took a toll on me. But I wanted to do this stream. I want to do tomorrow's stream as well. I know this may be damaging the quality of the stream. That I'm not happy. That is something I'm not happy about. But it's like hold on, sorry, I pressed something wrong. But that is something that, you know, I promise you that there will be a stream, and there will be a stream, even if I'm dead. If I promised you there's a stream, I will wake up from the grave and come and do this stream. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you are right. Let's do that. In fact, let's go there. I'm quickly going to do it on a secondary screen. Oh no, hold on, no. I can do it because I'm not sharing that screen right now. Let's go, Stream Essentials. I'm going to shut down the music quickly. How do we do that? We go to our Discord bot. No, not Discord bot. We go to MooBot. We go to commands, custom commands. Command name. Wake up. Create. Response in chat. Play a sound in Twitch when a command is given in chat. Triggering sounds on stream when specific commands and emotes are used. If no... Quick overview of what we'll be doing in this tutorial. Down Streamlabs, we have upload sounds, create commands, test in Twitch. Oh, hold on. Maybe OBS has something. Maybe OBS has something. Twitchy Twitch Twitch. Twitchy Twitch. I'm trying to find a way. Streamlabs, no. OBS tools. Let's do it like this. I'm not going to do it right now anymore. But I'm going to add one into the... In fact, I was thinking about this before. Why didn't I do this? Yeah, let's do that right now. Yeah, I know. I'm purposefully not sharing the screen because I'm in my Twitch dashboard as well a lot right now. Creator dashboard. Not emotes. Yes. No. Channel points. Okay, go here. Okay, it's not doing that. Standards, it's not doing this as well. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to do it right now, but I am going to do it. I'm going to look at whatever I can add to the chat. So there will be something that you can, well, you're going to spend a little bit of your loyalty points on it, but I'll keep it little. I am, however, going to put a timer on it so that it can't be spammed, but it is going to come. So you're going to have an option in the loyalty menu. I think I'll use 64 points or maybe 128 points, whatever, I don't know. But I think 64 points, 64 bits is nice, I would say. Not bits, but loyalty points. But in the sense of 8 megabytes, 16, 64, that's why I chose for those numbers. So you'll be spending 64 loyalty points to start a sound that will play on the stream, and that will wake me up and let me look at the chat. It took a while. Maybe you're gonna, yeah, we're going to do that. But for now, I am going to just, run, because this is not. I'm very tired, and as you can see from everything that happened in the stream, it wasn't my best stream. Yeah, raid time indeed, raid time. Thank you for being here today as well. It was a nice stream again. We fixed some mistakes though. Like, I'm happy with that. Some of the stuff that weren't working on the page are working now properly, and that's a good thing. In fact, some of my problems that were really that took some time for me in last week off stream. We managed to fix that, and in fact, I do believe some of them were fixed very fast, or at least very fast compared to what I'm used to with myself. So I'm very thankful that you guys are here and that you helped me out with that. Tomorrow we have a stream again at 2 p.m. Central European Time. Go on the internet, check out what time that is for yourself. Yeah, that's about it. I just started the raid. So again, thank you. Stick around. Go follow the guy. In fact, stick around. He has a very nice stream as well. He's a Twitch dev. Umut works for Twitch. He lives in San Francisco. Had one husky. Now he has a second one. The guy's cool. He has a nice stream. Mostly it's Turkish. But again, whatever I set for CFI, perfect. But with Umut, 100%. If you ask something in English, you get an answer in English. Go follow. Say hi from me. See you tomorrow.